Now dear students, continue with the miscellaneous exercise chapter 4 and question number 11 to 16. Now this determinant is given and you have to show this determinant equal to beta minus gamma, gamma minus alpha, alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta plus gamma. This is the RHS. So according to RHS we have to need here alpha plus beta plus gamma. Here in this LHS beta plus gamma is there but alpha is not here. Here gamma plus alpha is here but beta is not here, and here alpha plus beta is there but gamma is not here. It means if we apply the operation C1 tends to C1 plus C3, then we get, yes, the operation is, then it will come alpha beta gamma, alpha square beta square gamma square, and then right here C3, C1 plus C3, C1 is added in this, so alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha plus this gamma plus alpha, then beta, alpha plus beta plus gamma, here also alpha plus beta plus gamma, alpha beta plus gamma. So take out alpha plus beta plus gamma from C3, then what is left here, alpha plus beta plus gamma is outside the determinant, then alpha beta gamma as it is, second column is also as it is, and then third column 1 1 1 is left. After that we can change here like this, here beta minus gamma and gamma minus alpha like this. So we can change this term alpha plus beta plus gamma as it is, and then interchange this, first of all C1 interchange to C3, then what will come here with negative sign. If we are interchanging C1 and C3 column, then 1 1 1 here, alpha square beta square gamma square as it is, and alpha beta gamma. After that we will interchange C2 and C3, then it will come C2 interchange to C3, then again minus will come, so minus minus plus, so minus into minus, and here 1 1 1 alpha beta gamma, alpha square beta square gamma square. Then what is coming here, alpha plus beta plus gamma is also there, and here minus minus plus, so alpha plus beta plus gamma is here, and here 1 alpha alpha square, 1 beta beta square, and 1 gamma gamma square. Now according to this we can find out is alpha minus beta, means we can apply the operation operate, this is R2 tends to R1 tends to R1 minus R2, then what is coming here, alpha plus beta plus gamma, then R1 is 1 minus 1 0, alpha minus beta, and alpha square minus beta square, and in RHS here alpha minus beta is coming here. After that we have to need gamma minus alpha and beta minus gamma, so we will apply here in next step 1 beta beta square as it is, 1 gamma gamma square as it is. We will apply the operation here, operate in R2 minus R3. So what is coming here, alpha plus beta plus gamma into 0 alpha minus beta, alpha square minus beta square, and here 0 beta minus gamma, beta square minus gamma square, then 1 gamma gamma square as it is. In this step we can take here first row alpha minus beta is common and second row beta minus gamma is common. So alpha minus beta take common from R1, and beta minus gamma from R2. So what will come here, alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha minus beta and beta minus gamma, alpha minus beta and beta minus gamma So what is coming here? 0, 1 and alpha plus beta, because alpha square minus beta square is alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta. Here we are taking beta minus gamma common, so 0, 1 and beta plus gamma. 0, 1 and beta plus gamma. Similarly in third 1 gamma square. Third row is 1 gamma square. Now we will operate this determinant. These terms are as it is, alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma. We are operating this determinant with this column. So leave this row and this column. Now a11, this is a1, this is a21 and this is a23. Now what is coming here? By a23, a11 is plus, then this is a21 negative, then this is a31 positive. So what is, leave this row and this column, what is coming here? Beta plus gamma minus alpha, because beta plus gamma multiply with 1 and this one is multiplied like this. So it is coming minus alpha minus beta. Now minus beta is cancelled with this term. So alpha plus beta plus gamma into alpha minus beta into beta minus gamma. And here what is coming here? Gamma minus alpha. Take minus common. This is a sign like this. This term operating by this column. Leave this row. Beta plus gamma minus alpha minus beta. So this is a11, a21 and this is a31. So what is coming here? Gamma minus alpha, and that is the RHS. Students, continue with the question number 12. In question number 12, this determinant is given and you have to show this determinant equal to 1 plus p x y z into x minus y into y minus z into z minus x. You have to show LHS is equal to RHS. So first of all, according to property, we will separate these terms. This determinant here 1 plus px square, 1 plus py cube, 1 plus pz cube, here cube. So we can separate this. We can make two determinants here. Let us start the solution. First determinant is x, y, z. Second column is x square, y square, z square, and separate this term. 1, 1, 1 is coming here. Plus sign is here, so we will write here plus. Then first column as it is, second column also as it is, and in third column we will write here px cube, py cube and pz cube. Now in first determinant we will interchange this C1 interchange to C3 and after that C2 interchange to C3 according to previous question in first determinant. Plus, and here we will take common, take out p from C3. Now in this determinant, after changing, what will come here? Minus 1 square, because when we will change C1 into C3, then minus will come, and again when we will change C2 into C3, again minus will come, then minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. So I am writing here minus 1 square, and here 1 1 1 after interchanging x y z, and here x square y square z square after interchanging, and take p common from second determinant p, and what is left here? X square x cube, y square y cube, and here z square z cube. Now in next step we will take x common from R1, y common from R2 and z common from R3, and here 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square. In this step it will come positive, this determinant as it is. Now take x common from R1, y common from R2 and z common from R3. Now what is left here? 1 x square, 1 y square, 1 z square. Now after that we will take common this determinant. Yes, so what is left here? 1 plus p of x, y, z. After taking this determinant common, because the two determinant are same, 1 x, x square, 1 y, y square, 1 z, z square. Now we have to solve this one. 1 plus px, y, z is coming here. Now we have to prove x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. Now let us see. 1 plus p of x, y, z as it is. Now apply the operation here, x minus y. So we will apply here r1 tends to r1 minus r2, and here y minus z. So we will apply here r2 tends to r2 minus r3. So r3 is as it is 1 x minus y, x square minus y square, then r1 minus r2, so it is coming 0, sorry, and here 1 minus 1 again 0, y minus z, y square minus z square, and here third row is as it is. Now x minus y common from r1, y minus z common from r2. So 1 plus p of x, y, z into x minus y into y minus z. What is left here? 0, 1, and here x minus y is common. This is the formula of x square minus y square, that is equal to x minus y into x plus y. Is left here 0, when according to this formula again y plus z is left, 1 z, z square. Now operate the determinant by C1. 1 plus p of x, y, z and x minus y into y minus z. After opening this determinant by C1, leave this row in this column. What is coming here? Y plus z minus x minus y. So minus y plus y cancel. What is left? Z minus x, and that is RHS. 1 plus px, y, z, x minus y, y minus z, and z minus x is coming. That is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now our 12th question is verified. Now continue with the question number 14. Question 14 is 1 plus p, 1 plus p plus q, and this is the question number 14. 2 3 plus 2p, 4 plus 3p plus 2q, and 3 6 plus 3p, 10 plus 6p plus 3q equal to 1. This is the question number 14. 1 2 3, 1 plus p, 3 plus 2p, 10 6p, 4 plus 3p plus 2q. Now we will solve it. We have to find, using property, we have to prove this is equal to 1. Now solution, let us start the solution. Yes, here we can apply the operation here, r2 minus, this is r2 minus 2r1. When we multiply r1 with 2, then 2 minus 2 will come 0. So we will apply the operation here, r2 tends to r2 minus 2r1, because when we multiply with 2, then 2 minus 2 will come 0. And similarly second operation, r3 minus 3r1, we will multiply this row with 3, then 3 minus 3 will come 0. So r3 minus 3r1. After applying the operation, what is coming here? Now we will check the first second row. First as it is 1 plus p, 1 plus p plus q. Now second row is r2 minus 2, 2 minus 2, 0 is coming here. 3 plus 2p, multiply with 2, so 3 minus 2 is 1, and 2p minus 2p is 0. And again 4 and this term is 2, 4 minus 2, it will come here 2, and 2p minus 2p cancel. What is left here? Plus p, and then 0, 3, 7 plus 3p. After solving this, 3 minus 3 is 0, 6 plus 3p 6, and this is 3 plus 3p, 3p cancel, 3 is left. According to this, 10 plus 6p plus 3q, 3 plus 3p plus 3q, 3q cancel, this is left. Now again apply the operation, operate r3 tends to r3 minus 3r2, like this. because we will, when we multiply this term with 3, then 3 minus 3 0 will come. Now what is coming here after applying first second row as it is, 1 plus p plus q, here 0 1, 2 plus p is as it is, here 0, 3 minus 3 0, and here 7 plus 3p, here multiply with 3, 3 to the 6, 7 minus 6 1, 3p minus 3p 0, it is coming here. After that we will open this determinant. Now open by C1, leave this row and column, 1 into 1 minus 0. So what is coming here, 1, that is equal to RHS. So our left hand side is equal to right hand side. This is the end of this solution.